Hello and welcome to the course. In this lesson we are going to animate the top rectangle where we put the title. In my case I'm going to place my name. Select the text tool and click to write the title. Make it a little bit smaller and then I'll write my name, Miguel Reyes. You can change the color to black. I'll make it even smaller. And I'll put it in place around here. There we go. Make it bold. And now we're going to make another alphabet. We'll do that on the top rectangle here, so we place the text on top of this. And with Ctrl D, make another rectangle. Place this on top of the text. Click on it to change the name to Title Matte. Now you need to set the text to Alpha Matte with the shape that's above it. And now when you press play, you can see that it appears, because the rectangle with the Alpha Matte is animated. If you press U, you can see the keyframes. However, if we take a look at the finished animation, see that the text appears after. What we can do is adjust the speed of these keyframes in the graph editor. Move the points like this, so that it starts off slowly, goes faster in the middle, and then again ends slowly. Let's play the animation to take a look. As you can see, we have this effect. Let's just make it a little slower in the middle by dragging the points. Preview again and done. We now have an animated title. This is easily replaceable. All you would have to do is change the text. In the next lesson, we'll animate this subtitle.